Hello. How are you doing today? I hope you've had a good day so far. It's almost Thanksgiving, so I wanted to take a few minutes and read you a Thanksgiving book. So the book I'm going to read is called Fancy Nancy, Our Thanksgiving Banquet. Okay, let's get started. Fancy Nancy, Our Thanksgiving Banquet, written by Jan O'Connor. Ooh la la! Grandma and Grandpa are hosting Thanksgiving dinner this year. After hours of driving, we have finally reached our destination. That's fancy for the place we want to be. Grandpa opens the door and gives me a giant bear hug. Bonjour, we both say. My grandfather and I love to speak French to each other. What a nice greeting. What a celebration this will be. There's a gigantic turkey, Grandma's secret stuffing, green beans, and authentic cranberry sauce that did not come out of a can, and desserts. Oh boy, there are almost too many to count. This is not just a Thanksgiving dinner. This is way fancier. This is a Thanksgiving banquet. Lots of goodies. When it is time to eat, I head for the big table. My mom tells me to go sit at the kids' table. Again. But I'm so much more mature than JoJo and my cousins, I say. Mature is fancy for grown up. I know, but there aren't enough chairs at our table, Mom says. I take my place at the kids' table. There are paper plates, paper napkins, and a paper tablecloth. The glasses are plastic. It is not nearly as fancy as the big table, but the food is simply delicious. I am careful to eat with my pinky up, and after each bite, I dab my lips with my napkin. That means I wipe my mouth very gently. JoJo was not using her party manners. She puts her napkin on her head and makes silly faces. My cousin Arthur laughs so hard he spits out some cranberry juice. Fancy Nancy doesn't look very impressed, does she? My uncle has to intervene, which means he makes everyone stop acting so immature. Would it be all right to switch seats with you, he asks me. Mazoi, Yes, I tell him. Of course. Grandma hands me a fresh napkin with a pretty holder around it. You can wear it like a bracelet. Très chic. You say it like this, très chic. It means very fancy. And the gravy is passed around in a special little boat. So they call it a boat, but it doesn't really look like a boat, does it? Maybe a little bit. It's just a special dish that they use for gravy, and they call it a gravy boat. This is more like it. She's enjoying, she's got her fancy napkin in her lap. She has the napkin ring around her bracelet, using it like around her wrist, using it like a bracelet. She's got an umbrella in her cup. She looks very content. I am ready for a second helping. I asked politely for the gravy boat. Oh no! I spilled a little by accident. Oh dear. She looks upset. My grandmother says, I just spilled some cranberry sauce. Don't feel bad. That's what the tablecloth is for. What a charming hostess my grandma is. I finish eating way before anyone else. Have you noticed how long it takes grown-ups to eat? And how they only talk about stuff in the news? She looks like she's not impressed, huh? Yes. I can spell long words, I tell my aunt, like dazzle. D-A-Z-Z-L-E. That's wonderful, my aunt says. But I can tell she is not really interested in spelling. Oh, Jojo, my cousins are already starting on dessert. My sister's having apple pie a la mode. That's French and fancy for with ice cream. Do you like apple pie a la mode? I do, especially if the apple pie is warmed up. Jojo waves to me and takes another bite of pie. Yummy, she says. Now, everyone at the kids' table is coloring with the new crayons and pads of paper Grandma bought for us. Not to brag, but I am a very talented artist. Looks like she wants to be over coloring, huh? May I be excused? I ask Mom. I point to the kids' table. I am going to help them draw stuff. So she asked nicely if she could be excused from the table. She didn't just get up and leave, huh? That was very polite of her. First, I get a plate and sample the desserts. Oh, goodness. She sure has lots of desserts on her plate, doesn't she? You think she'll be able to eat them all? I don't know. She might get a tummy ache if she eats all that sugar, huh? Sure looks yummy, though. Then I show everyone how to make butterflies. It's easy. You just make a big bee together with another big bee that's backwards. And there she has it. Because it's Thanksgiving, I also teach them something that I learned in school. You trace your hand and voila, soon you have a turkey. When we are done, we bring our turkeys over to the adults' table. How to make a paper turkey. 1. Trace your hand. 2. Add feathers. 3. Add eyes and a beak. 4. Then fancy it up. She did fancy it up, didn't she? Voila! A turkey. There's the eyes and the beak. They are wonderful, Grandma and Grandpa tell us. They put the turkeys in the middle of the table, like a centerpiece. Then Grandpa stands up and says how grateful, that's fancy for being happy and thankful, he is to have the whole family together. Me too. I am so thankful for Thanksgiving. See her turkeys that everybody made? Very nice, huh? Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed Fancy Nancy, our Thanksgiving banquet. Bye for now.